Okay, good morning, guys. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It is still Sunday here for us, and we just finished some breakfast. Do you want to say good morning? Say hi. The cat just walked by. Kitty. So we sat down breakfast, and then we are going to get ready, and we are going to church this morning. And then I didn't get a chance to hang out with my friend yesterday. She was busy, so we're going to go to Menchie's today after Amelia gets up from her nap after church. And then we're going to a family's. Sometimes I get talking so fast that the words don't come out. We're going to a family's house tonight, my aunt and uncle's, for a barbecue. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we're gonna have hamburgers. Yeah, hamburgers and macaroni salad. Yeah. So that's the plan for today. So we're gonna get ready and head off to church. All right, we are home from church. It was probably one of the most exhausting church services ever, even though it was just morning prayer, so there wasn't even communion or anything. But Miss Amelia doesn't like to just sit in the pews anymore. She likes to run up and down the aisles and the stairs the entire service. So that was exhausting. Our church is very, very small, like congregation of like 18. And my mom is the youngest of like the main group of them, and then it's me and then Amelia. So there is no Sunday school, which is really unfortunate. Whenever I grew up in that church, the Sunday school was huge. The congregation was huge, but things have definitely come down quite a bit. So there is no Sunday school now, but we're just home. We're having a little snack, had some yogurt, and one of these. They're the arrowroot Gerber baby cookies. Except she keeps giving them to the dogs, and then she gets upset whenever I won't give her another one. So, what? Can you say hi? Are you trying to poop? No, you can't have the cell phone. Your hands are all yucky. So anyways, we're going to get her down for a nap because she needs one. You can't have another one. You just keep giving it to the dogs. So we can get her down for a nap, and then we're going to go meet my friend and her daughter for some frozen yogurt. All right, Amelia is down for her nap, and I just came outside. I'm not sure what this tree is. I don't know if you guys can... Oh, there's ants in them. That's gross. I think it's a dogwood, but I might be wrong. If you guys know what that tree is, let me know. I always thought it was an apple tree, but maybe... I don't know. Anyways, Luke was just out here. He's doing something on his truck right now, but he was out washing down the pirate ship. Oh, hi, Deb. So hopefully we can get that put up today so that we can actually have something outside for Amelia to play on. So, what are you doing? Yeah? You have a bug on you. Yuck. Hey, what do you think, Deb? Ah, there's a bee around me somewhere.
What's up here, sweetheart? Oh, puppies. What is that?
Wow!
Look, there's a slide and place to climb.
Wow! What's that?
It's your pirate ship. Got a wheel on it and everything.
Whoa! Yeah, look at it. Maybe we'll play on that a little bit later. Yeah, Whoa. Alright, 1 second. Oh, you're gonna feed. Okay, here you go. Okay, you want mommy to do it? Okay, so Amelia has, what did I get for her? Blueberry sherbet, strawberry sherbet, and this vanilla. With a little bit of sprinkles. You gotta get some sprinkles. There you go. And then I'm not gonna show you what I got because it's bad. Okay, so we're back at Menchie's. Our friend did not want to be on camera, so that's okay. Oh, you want to feed yourself? Mommy did not bring a bib. Okay. That girl.
I bet they're so serious, like, don't you dare take, like, any of this stuff.
Dada, yeah, we're gonna go home and see Dada. Oh, got Little Mermaid pumping in the car. Alright, so we're just leaving Walmart. I had to run over here for a few things. After our frozen yogurt date, which was awesome, Amelia decided, I realized once we got back to the car, that she didn't have her headband anymore. So I had to do like a retrace my steps and found it. Good thing it's pink and sparkly. Found it laying on the sidewalk outside of Walmart. So anyways, we're gonna go home and pick up Grandma and Luke, and then we are off to our aunts and uncles for a barbecue, which is, it's like the first bigger family barbecue of the season. And my Aunt Kathy makes the best homemade burgers, so we're really excited, obviously. You excited? She is. I promise she is. Are you stealing Uncle Rick's cheesecake?
It's still big. I think I ate it. Well, I'm sure that Amelia would eat it for you. Yes, I know.
She's either going to crash and sleep really well tonight, or she's going to be up all night. We went to Menchie's for frozen yogurt today.
Next bite's mine.
You missed a
Are you taking that from me?
With a little head shake.
I think that's attitude.
Oh yes, that's the attitude.
I can get what I want.
It's been shining through lately.
What do you got? I don't know. That's not quite.
Say, what do you think I got? I got the alphabet. See, what do you think I got? I got the alphabet.
Hi.
Lisa, that would be perfect on my crib.
That's the way to carry. You gotta figure it out, don't ya?
That's my girl.
Hey?
I gotta hang of this crap already.
Look up, Chloe.
Ready? Let's go.
She's ready to go. She's taking it home.
Bigger?
Yeah, you just got to thread the straps through it.
I think everything's up for sale for the right price, but I don't think he'll ever want to see what he actually wants for it. I think for him to make money, he'll have to spend over 50 grand for it. Yeah,
These
this
buckles
thing
work
actually
somehow.
so far, we don't know how much company this thing has
No, turn around.
this thing.
Okay, turn around. Turn around.
It's got a very good reputation. A boy.
Hey, sit down.
Connor
Sit down.
Connor starts to be good.
Don't want to sit down. What are you trying to do, you lady? Which part of I don't want it is she not getting?
I want to get it standing. That's what she wants to do.
I think you have messy pants.
Yeah, that's
You can smell now. I just checked them.
Can you smell it?
You can smell something from here.
And you know that you have a big fart.
That's what it was at first.
Okay, and so we are done with dinner, and we are actually down at the boat launch. Down at the water, a family friend of ours is actually going to set off some fireworks tonight for Victoria Day, and it's Amelia's first fireworks. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we got the bug net for the stroller, so we'll see. But I'll try and film as much as I can.
You can just do that?
How you doing in there?
Huh?
You watching all the sparklers?
Hi! Look at the pretty ships in the night.
Ooh, hot. Hot. Let go. Let go. Hot.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Amelia likes it.
Oh, is that fun?
There we go.
Whoa!
Then all the other ones go.
Hey, Grandma.
Hi!
Woo!
I hear more.
Oh, look right down the point. Oh.
Oh, we're Brockville having some?
No, that's like Lemon Point.
I'm like,
Ooh.
I got the back of my head. Here, I'll take him. I don't know if he's getting into his pajamas, but
Whoa!
is it pretty, Grady? Pretty? That he's a Pacific Mission? Look at him, he's like dancing. He's like,
Yeah!
Like,
36 shots.
I'm like, okay.
Woo! Oh, is that gonna like come back this way? Oh, oh my god!
Brendan, do you have a clock?
I had to make that comment before too.
I had a feeling they were coming back.
Oh, here, let's light another one.
Okay, we are finally home. It's been a long day. Amelia is in bed. She passed out like right away. Good, interesting fireworks. We had to dodge a couple, but it was fun. And so I'm going to go ahead and here I need to jump in the shower because I just smell like a can of bug spray. The mosquitoes were so bad. We thought other people would have bug spray down there, but nobody did. So Luke had to run up to the drugstore to grab some, and so we just doused ourselves in it because it was horrible. But anyways, I'm going to end it here today. If you liked the vlog today, guys, give it a thumbs up. Again, welcome to all of our new subscribers. Thank you very much. If you are new and haven't subscribed, press that red button if you want to keep following us. Leave a nice and friendly comment below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.